it's Leah Koss with the Mortgage Center, and I wanted to talk about the differences potentially between one mortgage broker and another, because this is somewhat a question, especially people who have been jaded in the past because they've used a mortgage broker and they weren't happy with it or something like that. Well, obviously, yes, there's going to be differences between mortgage brokers, and the obvious one is, some of them you're going to like and some of them you're not. Much like there's a difference between two realtors, there's a difference between two plumbers, there's a difference between two car wash stations. Even though they're franchised, you go to two different McDonald's and you may like one over the other simply because of the personalities that are within that job or company. So yes, there's that obvious one. But some of the more technical things are, how important is it for you that they're tech savvy? Well, there's some people that I know who are clients of mine who need someone who is all about the tech. They want to be able to text me information. They want to be able to email me everything, fax and so forth. They don't want to have to meet me in person. They don't want to have to take time out of their schedule to have a conversation face to face. They want to be able to do it on the phone. They love that I've got videos simply because now they can learn on their own time about questions that they have. So that's definitely something that is worth taking into consideration. As well, if you aren't tech savvy and everything must be, by picking it up in person because you don't own a fax machine, maybe you're in a small town and there isn't even a Staples close by or somewhere that you can fax from, then you're going to need someone who is able to meet with you. So those are things to consider. Then obviously, the knowledge, like with any industry, right? It depends on not just how long they've been in the industry. This is really important. You can have mortgage brokers who only understand a business. Unless you're salaried or hourly, full-time, unless your down payment is conventional, they don't know anything outside of that box. They only do a business. But if you're someone who's got bad credit or you're looking to buy a unique property, there's mortgage brokers out there who I could say, hey, there's a guy with a mobile home who wants to refinance it or wants to purchase it, or a previous grow operation, or a home with rental suites, or even people who don't even know how to do rentals, or if you're self-employed or you're a new immigrant. There's a lot of different niches within our industry, and if you don't know about them, then obviously you're not going to be able to provide the best service to your client. So if you have any questions about my expertise in any of those niches that I just listed, you can definitely check out my video blogs on them, and hopefully that'll give you some information. Then obviously you've got things that are very, very technical that you definitely won't ever see, but it is a difference. The office that a mortgage broker is with is very important. Now that's not to say the umbrella, such as Mortgage Center, which is what I'm with, or Mortgage Alliance, or Invis, or Dominion. It's not to say that the brand is important. The actual office is very important, and the volume of business that they do is definitely important. So the higher of a volume that an office has, the more they can spread it out amongst many lenders. And the higher your volumes are with lenders, the better underwriters that you get, the more designation you get, so you get fast response. But most importantly, the better discounts that you're getting on rates. So if a mortgage broker is a one-man show, or if he isn't with an umbrella, or if there's only 3 people in their office, unless that person's an absolute rock star, chances are they're only going to have designation at like 2 different lenders, which means if you need to go anywhere other than those 2 lenders, you're not going to be getting the best rates. So those are pretty much the main things. Just looking at my list here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I kind of covered it all. So if you have any questions about previous mortgage brokers that you've been with, if you want to ask me point blank, why should I use me? Then feel welcome to give me a call, send me an email, question away. Hopefully my video blogs are helping to show the information and knowledge that I do have on the industry, but if there's something that I've left out, then please feel welcome to ask me, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. And if I don't know the answer, I'll either find it out for you, or I can refer you to someone else who can help you. For example, commercial. I won't touch commercial, however, I have a great commercial guy that I would refer you to, who has actually got video blogs himself. His name is Rowan Smith. So you can Google him or YouTube him, and you can find out all about him as well. But Leah Koss with the Mortgage Center. I am a Canadian mortgage broker. I cannot help out you people in the US, but good luck to you. And if you have any other questions, feel welcome to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.